Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to search for programs in Windows. So, how do we search for programs in Windows? So, we have the type here to search in Windows through which you can search for all the programs that are in your Windows computer. Now, let's see how we are going to implement this video. So, these are the steps we are going to follow to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop, and over here in the type here to search, I will click here and then type notepad and click in notepad. And now the notepad is open. You can also search for other programs, like if you have the Mozilla Firefox, then you can search for the Firefox. You can search for your Microsoft Word and all the other things from the type here to search. So this is how you search for programs in Windows. Now let's summarize. So in this video, we have covered how to search for programs in Windows. Thank you for watching.